Hello and welcome to Whizz Kids Online. My name is Sophie and today we'll be making magnetic slime. So, have you ever wondered why slime feels the way it does and behaves the way it does? It's to do with chemistry. And chemistry is a study of matter. Matter is just a word we use to describe what everything in the world is made up of. Now chemists, they observe what happens to matter when they put it in certain situations. So today we're going to be looking at polymer chemistry, looking at the reaction that happens between sodium borate and boric acid and PVA glue. If you'd like to learn more about polymer chemistry and magnetism, so we are also going to be making slime magnetic, have a look at the links in the caption for more information. But let's make a start. To make your slime, you will need some water, a measuring bowl, some measuring spoons, a magnet, iron filings, bicarb soda, some contact lens solution and PVA glue. So I'm going to start by getting my mixing bowl and I will get a 1/4 cup of water, and then a 1/4 cup of PVA glue, that last bit out of there. I'm going to add my iron filings. So put a good amount in. Don't be shy because you want to make it nice and magnetic. And then mix together until it's mixed through. Now you might find that the iron filings sink to the bottom. It's just because they're heavier than the other materials that we've got, but that's okay. It won't make a difference to your slime in the end. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda. I've already measured it out. And going to mix that through. And then now we are going to mix 1 tablespoon of our contact lens solution. Okay, so now you need to stir this together quickly. And you'll notice that your solution will start to pull away from the sides of your mixing bowl. So you might have to stir for a little while. Takes a little bit. So you can see here it's starting to get nice and sticky, and that's what we want. And once you get the stickiness off the sides, that's when you can start to knead it. And you might have to do that for a few minutes too. And the more you knead it, the easier it will become. So persevere. It will be a bit tricky in the beginning. So I'm going to start by kneading it inside my bowl, just to make my life easier. But can you see how gooey it is? But it will firm up. And another thing you can do is get some in your hands and rub it together. It's a lot of fun. When you get the consistency that you want, that's when you can test how magnetic your slime is. So I've got a little bit here. I'm going to add a bit more. All right, should we test now to see how magnetic it is? So what you want to do is get your magnet and place it next to your slime. So, got mine here, and let's see what happens. So we saw that the magnet got snatched up by the slime, and that happened because the iron filings that we put in our slime are attracted to the metal in the magnet. So I encourage you to play around with your slime recipe, maybe add some more contact lens solution. What happens if you add more bicarb or more water? How does it change the consistency? So I hope you've enjoyed today's episode and have fun making your slime. I'll see you next time.